Hello again, everyone. What comes in a big ugly wooden box with a handle on it and a couple of clips here? Let's open it up and find out. It's called a Symphonic stereo. Symphonic stereo. Made Symphonic model 254M. Symphonic Electronic Corporation, Montreal, Quebec. Made in Canada. Well, it's not all made in Canada. The speakers just fell off the back. There's two speakers here. It is stereo. And we have a turntable. Now the turntable says precision engineered and handcrafted in England. It looks very much like a BSR of some kind of variety. It doesn't say BSR on it, but it looks BSR. Here we have a separate volume switch, one for each speaker. Tone control for both. There's the other volume control. We do have a cueing lever, but the clip here to hold the tone arm is broken. Problem with this is, one side there's no sound. The needle is in very good shape. I think the cartridge is probably in good shape, so there's something inside that's not right. I think the speakers are probably okay. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. I might disassemble it, try to fix it, might just give it away. But it's another piece of crap audio. This is probably, let's see, this is 2011. It's going to be more than 40 years old. It's probably late 60s, I would think. Thanks for watching, everyone.